Here's how to add another iPhone to Find My iPhone so you can track it anytime. You can do this in two different ways, and I'll show you both. First, open the Find My app on the other iPhone. Tap People, then tap the plus icon in the top right. Choose Share My Location. Select the contact you want to share with, then choose How long to share, 1 hour until end of day or indefinitely. Once accepted, you'll be able to see that iPhone's location in Find My. If you want the iPhone to appear under Devices, it must use the same Apple ID or be added through Family Sharing. Go to Settings, tap your name, then check the Devices list. If it's not there, sign into the same Apple ID or add the person under Family Sharing. On the other iPhone, go to Settings, tap Apple ID, then tap Find My. Make sure Find My iPhone, Find My Network, and Share My Location are all turned on. And that's it. You've now added another iPhone to Find My,